Sir? Sir? Sir, are you there?
Darcei! Hey guys, I'm still trying to figure out this new setup, okay? I know you guys have been telling me to get a new camera and get a goddamn microphone, so I did it, okay? I hope you're happy. Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald Haiti bitch back at it again with another video. I need a glass of water. Thirsty. Ugh. So today I'm getting ready. I'm gonna take my white people hair oil and I'm gonna put it in my hands. I'm just put on this ponytail because this ponytail is old and she's dry and decrepit and she just needs a little bit of shine, just a little. So the other day I went to the beauty supply store and I wanted to get another one of these ponytails, another one of these curly ones, and they were all sold out. They were all sold out. It was all gone. It was a massacre. So I just have to work with this old one. The ghetto. I'm very white today. There's a lot of white happening. White background, white shirt. I'm just like a floating head. Oh, and I also got my nails done. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Oh my god, I got my nails done. Isn't that so cute? Okay, the new autofocus on this camera is wicked. Look at the focus on that. My old camera was ghetto, but we've upgraded. I also got a microphone, so I have no idea how this sounds. I don't know what's going on. I've never used a microphone in my life. Okay, I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that is. Oh my god, there's hair all over my sweater. Oh no. Oh no. We're off to a great start. I'm shedding everywhere. My ponytail's old and crusty. Oh God. I don't know if this setup is working. I don't know what's going on. I'm completely lost. But the show must go on. Anyways, so right now I'm getting ready to go out to dinner with Phil Mizuno. I don't even know what. I don't even have. How did that sentence come out of my mouth? If you guys don't know who Phil is, or as I like to call him, Philly cheesesteak. We have nicknames, what the hell? If you guys don't know who Phil is, he is a cosplayer. Isn't he so cute? He's so cute, I love him. Anyways, we're going out to get Korean barbecue today. So, I have to look semi-presentable. And no, I'm not keeping my hair like this, in case you were wondering, okay? They're just twists to hold the curls for a second, okay? Just leave them alone. Oh, I wanted to use these eye patches for a second. I don't know if I'm using them correctly, but here we are. This is for my eyelid? I don't know how to use these. Why are there so many different sizes? Is this supposed to go over my entire eye? Holy crap. Why is it so big? I'm gonna put these under my eyes. Oh, that's cold. Right, so I'm just gonna let these sit on my face for a second while I talk to you guys. Let's chat. What's going on in your life? How are you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh my God, they're like slipping off my face. Can I talk while I do this? My God, are these on correctly? I don't even know. I don't know, guys. I don't know what's happening in this entire video. We're like 3 minutes into the video and I don't know what's going on. Let's just sit here in meditation. Okay, I'm gonna take these off now. I'm really getting my face ready to be attacked by foundation. I'm very excited right now because I haven't put on makeup in God knows when. And am I gonna put a mask over this, making it entirely pointless? Yes, I am. All right, let's put on our foundation. Today I'm gonna use my Gucci foundation. Over the last couple weeks, I feel like we've been getting back into the swing of things as far as COVID goes, at least where I live. I recently went to a beauty event again. Oh, that's pretty light. Yeah, it's fine. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I went to a beauty event today. I hung out with my friends. I went strawberry picking. And it's really nice to like get back into, you know, interacting with humans. Feels nice to get dressed up and put on real clothes that aren't sweatpants. And I've also had to buy an entirely new wardrobe because none of my clothes fit me anymore. If you guys didn't know, KKW Beauty is reformulating just like Kylie Cosmetics recently did. So they've completely cleared out all of their inventory. Everything went on sale. So I picked up a couple things, including the concealer. I've never tried KKW Beauty before, so this is gonna be my first time. These are the colors that were left. They had 12 and 14 that looked like they were around my shade. 12 looks like my winter shade concealer, and 14 maybe looks a little dark. I really wish I could have gotten the in-between shade. But I'm gonna try 14 and see how that goes. It might be too dark. No, 12 could work. I do that every time now. Is my face crooked? I really don't know. I couldn't tell y'all. I don't know. She's a little light. We might be a little light skinned today, that's okay. Okay, so you're probably all wondering, Darcei, how do you know Phil? Well, if you guys didn't know, I am a nerd and I really love Inuyasha. I don't remember how, but I somehow stumbled across Phil's Instagram and his favorite anime is Inuyasha and he cosplays as Inuyasha characters, and that's how I fell in love with him. So I had been following Phil for years and he had no idea. I think he discovered me probably sometime after that. And we were consuming each other's content without the other's knowledge until I think last year during the pandemic, we finally figured out that we knew about each other. I didn't think that he knew I existed and he didn't think that I knew he existed. And we lived really close to each other and we're like, oh my God, this whole time we could have met up. And now that things are opening back up again and the COVID rates are a lot lower than they were before, we're like, let's go get Korean barbecue. I'm very excited because I haven't had Korean barbecue since before the pandemic and I am just ready to eat some meat. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more and I'm gonna let that sit for a second. I'm gonna take my Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. Let me see if I can bring you guys in. I don't know, this new camera, I don't know how far it zooms in. I'm gonna do my brows really lightly today. We're just doing it ever so softly. For the first time in a long time, your girl has plans. I have plans. Me. When was the last time I left my house? And not only do I have plans today, but I have plans later on in this week. Wow. She's Miss Popular. I'm gonna be popular. I'm so popular right now. If you want to spend time with me, I'm gonna have to check my schedule. She's busy. She's booked and busy. Little brow. You're my little eyebrow, little brow. You're a wee eyebrow, little brow. That was really loud. Luckily, I don't have neighbors anymore. The neighbors who were living right next door to me, they're gone. I don't know what happened. I don't know why, but they were crazy. They were always blasting music and they had a dog that had serious separation anxiety. You can hear him in some of my other videos. He's just crying. He's just like, "Arr!" Why does he have no family to take care of him? Where are these people? And when they are there, they're either playing loud music or screaming at each other. Everything about them was fishy. I didn't know how many people lived there. I saw so many people coming in and out. 2 little boys and a preteen girl. There was a mom and then there was a girl who was around my age and her boyfriend. And then one time the boyfriend came over and they had this enormous fight that I could hear loud and clear. She was telling him to get out. Get out, leave right now. And he was begging her for another chance. And then they moved out after that. It was very entertaining. Hopefully I didn't leave this concealer on for too long. And it's like permanently stuck to my face like this. Hopefully we have not made a grave error. No, it's fine. I like this concealer. It's cute. A little light for me right now, but when I get back to being the shade of a black vampire in the winter, it should be fine. I don't know why I'm putting on so much makeup today. Like, I'm gonna be the baddest bitch at Korean barbecue. Just gonna pop on some powder. Get that shiny forehead. My God. Can reflect the whole city off this thing. This is, that was a lot. I tapped it off and everything. Come on. Whatever. We're a bad bitch today. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. It's fine. We're fine. Oh my God. We're gonna need to blend the heck out of this. I'm also gonna try this blush duo from KKW Beauty. The old KKW Beauty. She's gone. Ew, it's ugly. I'm gonna use this blush by ColourPop. This one right here is called Full Throttle. For eyeshadow, I wanna do something a little bit different than what I normally do today. I'm just gonna prime my lids. Ugh, I should have just used my favorite blush all along. Why didn't I? For the look that I want, I need a lighter blush like this one. I feel like a sweet little baby angel when I put this blush on. Sweet little baby. I'm gonna take this palette from ColourPop. So I'm gonna take this brown shadow here, this dark brown shadow here, and I'm just gonna use it to cut my crease. Gonna need my mirror for this one. Just go over the crease with that and like take it out like eyeliner. Alright, so I'm making an attempt here to just cut my crease. Are they even? Probably not. I'm gonna be lopsided the whole night, guys. Last time I did this style of makeup, you guys said it was really flattering on me, so I'm gonna try it again. Next up is eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. I'm just putting a lighter eyeshadow on my eyes, like almost white eyeshadow. I'm gonna put on my mascara. This is the Etude House dual mascara. They're dual wide eyes mascara. So like one side is the normal mascara and then the other side is like this really teeny tiny one that I'm gonna use on my bottom lashes. Then I'm gonna take the other side. Oh my God, she's so lit up. I'm gonna take some black eyeliner and get in my waterline. I'm poking my eye right now. I can feel my eyeball. And I'm just going over my eyeliner because it kind of just got erased when I added that other eyeshadow. Next, we're gonna put on some highlighter. Boop, beep, boop, 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 beep, boop, boop-a-doop. And then last but not least, because this is actually the most important part of the whole look, the lip. Okay, so we're using our classic Fenty red lip today. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab Private from 3CE and go over that. And I'm gonna take these things and we're gonna undo them and hopefully they turned out nice.
Meet me at the the parking lot at 2. It's an after party, turn up on the block, sway, girl. We ain't stopping now, ain't stopping now.
Oh, yay, it came out cute. I was worried for a second, especially around the eyes. I didn't know what I was doing, but it actually came out really cute. Okay, now I am ready to go stuff my face with meat. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because you guys know I'm gonna be posting this night on my story, okay? I'm so freaking excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, which is just gonna be in 2 seconds because you're just gonna click one of these. Just click one. Anyone. They're both great videos. And don't forget that I love ya so much.